let's open this package. Nice size package. So we can just go in that hole and just get her open. Ah. Glad I got one of these. It's only a 17.5 inch price. Walmart. Expert grill. 17.5 inch charcoal grill. Cook 16 burgers. 302 square inch total cooking area. 17.5, guys, because I want to be able to cook pizza in here. My pizza is around 15 inches for right now. To go any bigger, I'd probably have to do an extra 2 cups of flour. Add it to my recipe to go bigger, or to make 3 pies, basically. Yeah. Get over here. All right, let's just do this. Kind of overkill, but let's check it out, guys. Walmart.com, by the way, guys. Under $20. Perfect. That's perfect size, guys. Look at this. Perfect size for doing pizzas, burgers, chicken, a steak. 17.5 inches. Throw that up on the table. Got some legs. Got the legs. Remember Rambo just something about that. Can't find his legs. You know, that's funny though. But we got all our parts. Some cheesy wheels. It's like an old grill. We might be able to take the wheels and use those instead of these junk. It's like these were printed or something. I don't know. What do you want for 17 bucks, 19 bucks, whatever it is. We got a whole list of parts. Oh, do we have directions? I don't know. Is there directions, guys? Not leave grill unattended. Keep away from children. We got a part list right here. Yeah, it's windy, guys. I mean, it sticks all over again. I gotta do another rake job. Let me put that under. The grill. That's the top. Okay. And the bottom. So we got the top, guys. That's kind of what the top's gonna look like. The expert grill. This is where the coals are gonna sit, I guess, on the bottom. Not too bad though, you know, guys. I'll be just doing pizza in here. I'm gonna use wood. I'm gonna use charcoal. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, you know. Take it camping. You guys want to see some camping videos? This is just a rack for the bottom. Another rack. Anything under? No. Nope, nothing else under. Got our parts. We can move that box over yonder. Leave that so we can see what it looks like set up. So I guess we need to work with the bottom. And you know what? Bring that back. Get back over here, Expert charcoal grill at Walmart, under $20 right now. Walmart.com. I do want to start with putting the legs on, getting the platform ready, and then working from there. So we're gonna washers and oh, there's more. It's another bag, guys. So there's 2 bags of parts that we're gonna need. 2 bags of parts. We got the handle we could do. It's actually 2 handles. I guess one for the front, one for the top. But it's all plastic, kinda. Not sure how that's gonna go. This is gonna be our intake slider, intake for air. Okay, now I'm gonna pause here to see what goes in here and get that set up so we have a platform to work on. Okay guys, there's the grill all assembled. It's pretty simple stuff. The handle, the vent there, you got another handle, another vent. I'll show you on the inside. This lid, you could just hang it. It hangs on the side. It's just like that. So inside, kind of see those holes right there. That's the vents. That's the lever right here. Okay, you got the handle. You got this. You got the inside rack. The 2 racks plus the 3rd rack on the bottom. It's just a washer and a nut. That's all. The wheels are done. Put these in, tighten them up on the inside. There's 4 screws, 4 washers. 4 washers for underneath at different types. So very simple stuff, guys. It's not bad really just to put it there. You know, it's just bending over because, you know, I'm over 6 foot tall. Okay, and everything's down here. I can't even touch it, guys. I can't touch it. It's basically to my knee. Well, actually a little above the knee here, and it's very low to the ground, so you're gonna want a chair. Okay, you do your adjusting on the bottom and you're cooking on top. You get your charcoals in there, get that lit. I do suggest washing everything before you use. But that's the grill, guys. I'd rather have a hinge or something, but the hinge, why I didn't get the hinge one is because it's in the way. It makes the grill a little bit smaller, so I didn't want to get that. This is 17.5 inches across, and my pizza pan's going to fit on there perfectly. So what's in the package, guys? I'll try to open this sucker up. Nice camp chair, I think. I can get it open. I'm also looking. I got some brakes for my bike. I don't know where they are. Or maybe they're in this bag. I don't know. Nice camp chair. Under $9. Walmart.com. It's an Ozark Trail, but $8.89, something like that. Got a cup holder on the left. Basically, it looks identical to the chair I'm in. There's the brand new chair, guys. There's the bag. I'll put it back in the bag in a minute. And the grill. So now you can just sit on your chair. I got the same chair here, but sit on the chair and grill away. Grill, guys.